Are you frustrated with the lack of views you're getting from YouTube search? In this video, I'll give you 7 reasons why YouTube search is not working in 2021 and how to fix it. Number 1, find a topic that your viewers are interested in. One of the easiest ways to do this is to type your main keyword into YouTube search. The topics that you see listed are what viewers are typing into the YouTube search engine. You can do the same with Google search. If you want to get more suggestions, add an underscore before or after your keyword phrase. Alternatively, you can add letters before and after your keyword phrase. This will give you a bunch more suggestions. If you want to get 10 more ways to easily come up with YouTube video ideas and topics, click the link in the description below this video. That video will show you how to quickly get more views on your videos by coming up with the right topics. Number 2, create a compelling title. There's 2 ways to come up with a great title. You can add your main keyword phrase at the beginning of your title, or you can use a compelling phrase that appeals to your viewers. Ideally, you want to include both of those methods. For example, the main keyword phrase I used for this video's title is YouTube search not working, but it's not very compelling for viewers to click on the video. Therefore, I added 2021 to the end of the keyword phrase. I could also create a more compelling title by saying 7 reasons your YouTube search is not working and how to fix it. When coming up with video titles, think first about what's going to grab the audience's attention. If you can grab your viewers' attention with a compelling title, they'll be more motivated to click on your video. Ideally, your title and thumbnail should work together for the viewer to click and watch your video. If they don't click on your video, you'll have wasted all that time creating the video for nothing. Number 3, design a thumbnail that stands out from your competitors' thumbnails. When designing a thumbnail, look at the thumbnails of the top 5 videos for that particular keyword phrase. Make sure you use incognito mode so your search results won't be affected by your personal browsing behavior. To do that, click on File in your Chrome browser, then select New Incognito Window. Type youtube.com into the browse bar so you get the YouTube search engine, then type your main keyword into the YouTube search bar. Alternatively, you can click on the Results tab in Keyword Explorer of TubeBuddy to see the thumbnails of the top videos ranking in search. Don't copy the design of your competitors' thumbnails, but instead come up with a different design that uses different colors and text. Sometimes a simply designed thumbnail will stand out far better than a complex designed thumbnail. Ultimately, your thumbnail and title should work together to win the click from your viewer. YouTube says that a high click-through rate and a high average view duration will increase the probability of your videos appearing in suggested videos. These are the videos that appear on the right side of the watch page. Impressions click-through rate refers to how many people click and watch your video after seeing the title and thumbnail. Average view duration refers to how long viewers are watching your video. The longer the better. If you want to know how to create a clickable thumbnail, click the link in the description below this video. Number 4, add a compelling description. When viewers are watching a video, they can see and read the first 3 lines of your description, so make sure you create a compelling description in the first 3 lines. Weave your title and your main keywords into those first 3 lines, but make sure that it's relevant to the video content. If you want to drive viewers to your next video or to a website, place that URL in the first 3 lines. Number 5, add video chapters. Video chapters are timestamps of the different segments of your video content that appear in the description. If a viewer wants to watch the most interesting part of your video, they can click on that particular timestamp. When you create your video chapter titles, think about the viewer and the search engines. Add your main keywords in your video chapter title and write a phrase that promotes curiosity for your viewers. YouTube now displays snippets from your video chapters in YouTube search. This will help your video get discovered in YouTube search as well as Google search. Number 6, add your video to a playlist. Did you know that your playlist can also rank in the search engines? Viewers can also find your playlists on your YouTube channel homepage if you've added sections to your channel page. So if a viewer finds your channel page by watching a video that was recommended by YouTube, they'll be able to take a deeper dive into your content by watching videos in your playlists. I also highly recommend linking to a related playlist in the end screen of the video that your viewer has just watched. This will motivate viewers to binge watch multiple videos in a row and push your video to be recommended by YouTube to other viewers. Like I mentioned before, the longer you keep viewers on the YouTube platform by watching multiple videos, the higher probability of your videos appearing in suggested videos. Number 7, track your video performance in YouTube Analytics. If you click on the Analytics tab for your channel in YouTube Studio, you'll be able to see the top 10 videos that are driving the most traffic to your channel. If you know the videos that are doing well on your channel, make more of those kinds of videos. If you want to find the keyword phrases that people are entered into the search engines or found via suggested or browse for a top video, go to YouTube Analytics. Choose one of your top videos, then click the Reach tab in Analytics. You'll be able to see the keyword phrases that viewers entered into YouTube search to discover your video. You'll also be able to see which keyword phrases help viewers find your video and suggested videos. Use these keyword phrases to create more videos related to one of your top videos. This will encourage viewers to binge watch your videos when they see your video in a playlist. Here's one more very powerful reason why YouTube search is not working and how to fix it. There's too many videos competing for the same topic or title. For example, if there's an established channel that has a lot of authority, then their videos that are on the same topics are going to easily outrank your videos. Therefore, if you're a small channel, you want to make videos around less competitive keyword phrases. Let me ask you a question. Do you struggle to come up with ideas and topics for future YouTube videos? Watch the video on the screen right now for 10 ways to easily come up with YouTube video ideas and topics so you can get more views and grow your channel fast.